Behind the innocuous facade here in Bendigo lay a treasure trove of sorts, an antique collector's dream, a real estate agent's nightmare. The frontage is now bold and beautiful with a contemporary colour scheme and ties in beautifully with the bluestone paving. And with an adapted entry, the house has a perfect layout for a home business. The insides were beyond cluttered, but we managed to find our way out thanks to professional packers. The enormous mess of a front room was packed to the rafters, but now can be packed into the attic. And turning part of that oversized room into a third bedroom makes the house more appealing to a larger market. I love that the house still has lots of character, but we just dialed it down a bit. What an incredible challenge this was, but what an amazing outcome. This is now a real estate agent's dream.